Hola mis amores, this is Massey with Masparco DIYs. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a collab hosted by two sweet and talented ladies, Lisa Burningham and Antoinette from Simple Yet Chic. The link to both of their channels will be listed in the description down below, as well as the link to the collab playlist so you can see everybody that participated, creations, and ideas. For my holiday entertaining collab idea, I will be sharing with you how I put together my Thanksgiving table. I decided for this year to go with a simple, romantic, elegant decor on a budget. And I will also be sharing with you how I put together a super delicious and super affordable cheese board. I got these plastic cups and the bowls from Dollar Tree party section, and they came 4 in a pack. I just glued them together and then I spray painted them white. While my cups are drying, I am going to spray paint these Thanksgiving turkey candles that I got at Goodwill, and then I'm just going to remove the wick in the middle, and then I'm just going to spray paint them metallic. Okay, now that my cups are dry, I am going to add Mod Podge in the middle, and then I'm just going to add glitter. I'm going to be doing the same thing for my turkey candles. I am just going to add Mod Podge wherever I want the glitter to stick. To decorate my table, I decided to use this runner that I found at Ross for $7.99, and then I just placed it, and then I'm going to place on top this long stems that I got at Tuesday morning. I don't remember the exact amount I paid for them. I think it was around $3 and some change, since I got them on sale last week. Now I'm going to place the cups in the middle. Got these 2 candle holders from Dollar Tree too, and then I just did the same thing, Mod Podge and glitter. I placed both turkeys in both ends, but later on you will see that I decided to move them to the middle. I got this fern from Dollar Tree at the Christmas section, and then I'm just going to place it wherever I think it needs more volume. To make everything look more elegant and more full, I decided to place these flowers that I already had from previous years, and then I'm also going to add some greenery and some flowers that I found this year from Dollar Tree. I got these beautiful pumpkins from Walmart for only 98 cents, and then I'm just going to place them wherever I want them to be visible. And then I'm going to add the clear Dollar Tree candle holders, and then I am just going to keep adding more stuff to make more volume. I'm going to be placing this beautiful sparkly ferns that I had from previous years too. I got these Eucalyptus from Dollar Tree. I also added some Dollar Tree grapes. I got these super inexpensive and super beautiful champagne gold glitter feather picks from Hobby Lobby, and I found them at the Christmas section. I found these rose gold chargers from Walmart. They were only 98 cents each, and then I just placed my white plates on top. I had these white plates for many years now, and then I decided to place a pumpkin on top. I added the LED tea lights to my candle holders. then I placed these LED candles on top of the cups. These gorgeous fall cups are from Dollar Tree. Okay, mis amores, now let me show you how I put together a super simple, affordable, and super delicious cheese board. I got everything for my cheese board from Aldi. I got grapes, Asiago cheese, I got unsalted almonds, as well as Colby Jack and queso fresco cheese, and then I also got some dark chocolate pomegranates, my favorites, and then I got some classic hummus singles, and I also got some gluten-free black sesame chips, as well as some white corn tortilla chips, and I also got some roasted pistachios with sea salt and dry salami. The first thing I like to do is clean my grapes. I am just letting them soak for around 15 minutes with hot water and some white vinegar, and then I'm just going to rinse them with hot water again, and then they will be ready to eat. And now I am just cutting all my cheese and placing them in my board. Then I'm going to add the rest of the snacks to the cheese board. I decided to add some crackers to my cheese board too. Okay, mis amores, I hope this video gave you some ideas and inspiration to plan your Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Like and subscribe. Bye!